Hi there, my name is Valerie. Today I'm excited to share some incredible updates in the appointment booking plugin for WordPress with you. In version 1.24, we've added a new customization feature that lets you tailor appointment times for each service individually. What's more, I'll show you some smaller enhancements too. Join me as we walk through the new features and see how they can streamline your booking process. So, without further delay, let's get into it. Now let's dive into another useful feature available since the 1.24 version, overriding the default times tab for individual services. But first, let's quickly review what the default times tab is. Essentially, the default times tab sets the interval between available booking times for your services. For example, if you've set it to 30 minutes, clients can choose booking slots at 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m., and so on. As the smallest unit of time that can be used to schedule an appointment, the default times tab determines how appointments are spaced out on the booking calendar and the available time slots for users. Common default times tabs can be 15 minutes. 15 minutes offers more flexibility for short appointments. A 30-minute times tab is ideal for services where appointments typically last longer. A 1 hour is often used for longer consultations or services. More than 1 hour times tab suits longer, more premium services, avoiding the confusion of too frequent booking intervals. So why might you want to override this? Even though you can use buffer settings to create breaks between bookings, overriding the default times tab lets you customize how frequently clients can book certain services. Consequently, it gives you more control over the structure of your bookings. To find the new service setting, head to Appointments, Services, select the service you want to customize, and click Edit. Then, scroll down to the service settings, where you'll see the new service time interval option. By adjusting this field, you can set a custom time interval for this specific service. This will alter how appointment times are divided and shown on the booking form, in contrast to the default settings for other services. For example, if you set a 3-hour times tab for a particular service, the booking form will create bookable slots every 3 hours, starting from the employee's available working hours. Let's look at some scenarios. Imagine you run a salon. For most services, a 30-minute times tab works great. However, for something like a hair color treatment, you might want clients to book in 2-hour slots since it takes longer. By overriding the times tab for this service, you can prevent clients from seeing too many unnecessary time options that don't fit the actual length of the appointment, and this also helps balance your workload throughout the day. Or consider a fitness studio. For short, high-intensity classes, a 15-minute interval could be perfect, allowing clients to book back-to-back classes easily. But for a longer yoga session, a 1-hour interval would be better. And overriding the times tab gives you the flexibility to tailor bookings to each type of class, while buffers can handle breaks between sessions. And the key here is controlling the workload by adjusting how often clients can book classes, while buffers handle rest periods. And finally, think about therapy sessions. In therapy sessions, workload management is crucial, and you might offer both short consultations and longer sessions, and by adjusting the time step for each service, you make it easier for clients to find the right booking slot without having too many options cluttering the schedule. And for short consultations, you can use shorter intervals, allowing for more frequent bookings. But for longer sessions that require more focus, a 1 hour or longer interval gives you breathing room to properly prepare and avoid burnout from a packed schedule. And overriding the default time step helps fine-tune the booking experience, giving clients a more organized and tailored set of options while still letting you manage the flow with buffers. So you can manage your workload more efficiently, and it gives you control over how frequently services are booked, helping you pace your day and deliver quality service without being overwhelmed. Now let's check out some small improvements available since 1.24. We've updated the payment settings page by adding 2 new options: reservation received and failed transaction pages. The reservation received page is actually a renamed version of an existing one. These allow you to choose where customers are redirected after they've made a payment on an external payment platform, making the process smoother for both you and your customers. If you want to create custom pages, just add the shortcode shown in this menu and include your own text. It's a quick and easy way to customize things the way you want. Okay, we've also added new coupon code tags to the email tag list. Now you can include details about a used coupon code or its discount in customer or admin emails. Just copy and paste the tag into the email where you want to display the applied coupon code. Easy as that. And there is more. We've added a new email tag for those using the direct bank transfer method. Now you can include the payment instructions you provide with this method directly in the customer's email. To resend a booking confirmation to a client who might not have received it, simply use the new Resend confirmation email button in the booking editing menu. It's an easy way to ensure they get their confirmation. Just click the button and the confirmation email will be sent to the client right away. On top of that, we've also added colors to the analytics charts. Before, it could be tricky to tell the data apart when everything was the same color. Now, with different colors for each item, you can quickly see and understand your performance. Alright, that's a wrap. We've shown you how to override the default time step for specific services. This lets you create more customized and precise booking options that fit your needs. It's a great way to improve time management, whether you run a salon, gym, or any service-based business. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video. We'll be covering the group booking feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.